Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be talking about a skincare product that I have been using for almost 4 months now. I am talking about the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Now I made a review video on this particular product. If you haven't seen that, I will link it somewhere here. So I have been using this product since then, day and night, every day religiously. So I'm going to be telling you how it has worked for me and what I have noticed. So let's get into it. Now the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence is essentially a liquid skincare. That's what it claims. Now I'm going to tell you when I use this product. So I use this product in between like a toner or a serum. Sometimes I skip toner because this does a fantastic job of even toning down my skin. So I feel like this is an amazing product to start with. Now, since the texture of this particular product is almost water-like, it gets absorbed into the skin very easily and it penetrates very deeply into the skin, almost 10 layers deep. Now, if you compare that to a normal moisturizer actually is thicker, and that's the reason it just sits on our skin, or max to max it will penetrate like 2 to 3 layers. So because of that, my skin looks super duper hydrated, radiant and fresh looking all day long without it getting greasy during the day like a normal moisturizer would tend to do to my oily skin. And the moisture retention is for such a long time. That's another plus. Okay, another very important ingredient in this product is salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is meant to be really good for acne prone skin. So I do get acne from time to time. So whenever I do get it, I make sure that I'm including this in my nighttime skincare routine. And once I get up in the morning, the pimple has visibly vanished. So that's how good this product works. It literally calms down my skin, makes my skin look super duper radiant, fresh and hydrated. I have been using this religiously, so as you can see, I pretty much have like really clear skin. So now I'm going to show you how I like to apply this product. I just like to take like 4 or 5 drops of this in my hand, and I just press it in between my hands and just tap it. You don't want to rub it at all. And then I start from my forehead and I just press it into my skin. Like I wait for it to get completely absorbed. See, do you see instantly my skin is looking so damn radiant, and this has a really like very lightweight, non-sticky formula because it's so water-like. And once I've done this, I will go ahead with my moisturizer and moisturize my skin really well, and that's about it. So if y'all are still confused whether this is gonna work for you, it comes in 3 different sizes. Y'all can definitely go ahead and try the smallest size, which is I think 22 ml, which retails for 250 rupees, and give it a try. If y'all do like it, y'all can definitely purchase a bigger size. There are 3 different sizes, as I will show y'all on the screen right here. And I also wanted to mention one more thing, like there are a lot of people out there who are scared to try skincare products or just don't like the feeling of skincare products on the skin since it feels sticky and greasy and you can't really see much what's going on. So I think that this is something that you can definitely start with because it's so lightweight and non-sticky. So also there might be a couple of questions that you guys must be having now. One of the most common questions is this good for all skin types? Yes, this is really good for all skin types, whether it's dry, combination, oily. It's gonna be really good for you. Can teenagers use this? Yes. Can adults use this? Yes. Can older people use this? Definitely a yes, because this is such a light formula. Every single one of you can definitely give this one a try. If y'all do have any other questions, definitely ask me in the comment section below. I will definitely help you guys out. I hope you all found this particular video helpful. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.